Arun Gogre, co-founder of Sanskar English Medium School. In this education field, we are working from last 7 years. This year, we selected Eduate publication. The basic feature of this Eduate publication is practical learning. Practical learning is very important for students. These 21st century students are very sharp. Practical learning helps them to understand concept. Practical learning is important for parents, teachers and students. This Eduate publication helps our teachers to design a proper curriculum as well as proper schedule of teaching. Thank you.
I am Sunil Umale, Principal, Sanskar English Medium School, Warangaon, Shivar, Talwel. In our school, we always give preference for the health and safety of the students. We daily check the uniform, hair and nails of the students. A security guard has been deployed in the school for the safety of the students. Our special emphasis is on holistic development of students. We provide action learning to students in simple and easy language. We always conduct the various competitive exams like Navodaya, Manthan and Olympiad. It is only school in the area situated in a scenic environment. Now from this year we have choose the Eduate syllabus for the bright future of our students. There is no doubt that our students will brighten the name of their parents, their teachers and the school. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी सागर पाटील, सहसंस्थापक संस्कार इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल, वरंगाव, शिवार, तडवेल. ही शाळा आम्ही 7 वर्षापासून चालवत आहोत. त्याचा मूळ उद्देश हाच आहे की ग्रामीण तसेच शहरी विभागातील मुलांना कमीत कमी फीमध्ये दर्जेदार शिक्षण मिळावं. त्यासाठी आम्ही या वर्षापासून एज्युएट सिलेबस निवडलेला आहे, ज्यात मुलांना स्क्रीनवर शिकता येईल. प्रत्येक शिक्षकाकडे टॅब असेल ज्याद्वारे ती स्क्रीनला अटॅच होईल. तसेच शिक्षक नेहमी प्रॅक्टिकल टीचिंगवर भर देत असतात, ज्यातून त्यांच्या मुलांच्या संकल्पना क्लिअर होत असतात. या आपल्या एरियात आपल्या शाळेला खूपच उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद मिळत आहे, ज्याचं सर्व श्रेय आपल्या शिक्षकांना जाते. धन्यवाद.